Assalamu alaikum students and everyone. I'm back today with new lesson, kinds of pronouns. There are total 9 kinds of pronouns, but if I describe all kinds in one video, so it will become lengthy. So we study separately. Today's our topic is just personal pronouns. So here I've mentioned personal pronouns because they are used for persons in a sentence, so we call them personal pronouns. They are basically three persons, first person, second person and third person. So here you can see I, we, you, he, she, it and they. So next I have made sentences also with them. I would like a cup of coffee, please. So I have underlined I is a subject in this sentence. I in second sentence, if you don't study we will be late. So you can see underlined words here, you, he, she, they and I again. So all these are used as a subject or as a person, personal pronouns in a sentence. Students, here is a table of pronouns I've made for you. You can see number, gender, subjective case, possessive case and objective case. So subjective and objective case we use in same sentence, and possessive case we use in different sentences. And second thing is you can see personal, third person singular. So third person singular, when you see, so he, she, it or any single name, they are called third person singulars. Yes students, subjective case normally we use based on personal beliefs or feeling rather than based on facts. So examples as I've written, I think she is the most beautiful actress in India. So underline I have mentioned, you can see I, we, you, she, he, they. So we are using them as a subject. So you can see as a subject or as a subjective case, we can use them in the sentences. So students, here is the objective case, something which you plan to do or achieve. So here I've underlined words in sentences. We live with her, so her is an object. Second sentence, he gave me a gift. So me is a direct object. There are basically two objects. He gave me a gift. So me is underlined, so it means it's an object in the sentence, direct object. Third one, she prays for us. So us is underlined, so obviously this is object of the sentence. I sent him an email. So here again two objects. So him is direct object, underlined, it is already. You transferred it yesterday. So it is underlined already. So it is object in the sentence. Second last, you can see it can bite you, so be careful. So underline is you. So you is the object of the sentence. Last one, they selected him their chief. So him is underlined already. So they selected him means him is an object. Students, here is the possessive case. Possessive case are basically two types: possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So these sentences are here for you with possessive adjective. My, are, her, his, their are called possessive adjectives. They are used with noun. Before any noun we use them, and they don't come in the end of the sentence. They come normally in the start or before any noun to show their relationship with a noun. Student, here is the possessive case. You can see the sentences are made for you. So underline words mine, mine, ours, yours, theirs are called possessive case, and basically there is no possessive pronoun for the third person singular it. It is neutral, so we don't use a possessive pronoun for it. So they come in the sentence, normally in the end of the sentence. And if we discuss in Urdu, so means sentence के अंदर थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस दे के, ज़ोर दे के जिस चीज़ को हम बात करते हैं, योर सन इज़ द सेम एज एज माइन, सो माइन के ऊपर थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस दिया जा रहा है. So you can see they are coming in the end, and we call them possessive pronouns.